Before the albatross count can begin, some prep work must happen. The islands of Midway Atoll are divided into 61 sectors to break the count into manageable pieces and to keep track of nest densities across the island's varying habitat. Sector boundaries are denoted with various red markers which are maintained by a small team ahead of the count.
Okay, and then we can either go back and do 3
or come out and do 3.
either way, however you want to do it.
We'll walk this out, and then again, we're going to tear the one
Right.
of the 2 connectors here.
Okay, I got one too.
So okay, so this will be sitting in the middle. Okay.
Yeah, we'll probably see you inside though.
Okay.
Okay.
Markers here. Marker here it is. Right here.